Disassemble the valve body panel, unscrew the press button cap counterclockwise. Pull out the knob regulator. Rotate counterclockwise to disassemble the copper sleeve. Use a wrench to unscrew the cartridge fixing sleeve. And then pull out the valve core. Replace the new spool to align the valve body and cartridge position. And then use a wrench to tighten the cartridge retaining sleeve. Clockwise installation of the copper sleeve. And then install the knob regulator device. Clockwise installation of the press button cap. Reinstall the valve body panel, then completed.